ZC Series Compound Cone Crusher. ZC Series Compound Cone Crusher is a cone crusher with high performance level developed by absorbing advanced technology of Taiwan Mingyu Cone Crusher, widely used in metallurgy, construction, hydropower, transportation, chemical industry, building materials industry, suitable for crushing all kinds of ores and rocks with hard, medium hardness and above these. Structural composition. 1. Top cell liner. 2. Frame cap. 3. Bowl adjustment ram. 4. Release spring. 5. Main frame liner. 6. Clean cylinder cavity. 7. Main frame. 8. Frame bushing. 9. Eccentrial. 10. Thrust plate. 11. Main frame cap. 12. Feed plate. 13. Concave. 14. Top cell. 15. Main shaft. 16. Mantle. 17. Head. 18. Seat liner. 19. Eccentric bushing. 20. Gear. 21. Pinion. 22. Counter shaft. 23. Counter shaft housing. 24. Bearing. 25. Oil return tube. 26. Orienter tube. Structural advantages. 1. Simple structure, smooth operation, stable performance, and the leading output among the similar products. 2. The wear parts on the locations of common wearings to occur are protected by manganese steel parts to extend the life of the whole machine. 3. The mounting surfaces of the mantle and concave are manufactured by finishing, and the replacement is simple and rapid. 4. Cone crusher body. The body of cone crusher made by our Shanghai Zhuyan Heavy is cast steel structure. The frame is welded with CO2 protection, and the stress relief annealing treatment is carried out after welding, and the reinforcement is set at the high stress point of the heavy load locations, which is strong and durable. 5. Drive device of the cone crusher. On the both ends of the drive shaft of the cone crusher, cone roller bearings are equipped, and the power drive is completed by a pair of heavy-duty bevel gears. The bearing block adopts a skeleton sealing ring to prevent oil leakage. 6. Bearings and seals of the cone crusher. Labyrinth dust-proof ring seal to ensure clean lubricating oil. In the cone crusher made by our Shanghai Zhuyan has an inner and outer eccentric sleeve of copper made, that is, inner and outer copper, a spherical base of steel made and a spherical copper of copper made. The dust-proof ring is held up by a spring placed in the spherical base, which plays the role of adjusting the meshing of the two sealing surfaces during the operation of the machine. Other rotating parts of the cone crusher are made of rolling bearings of world-renowned brands. 7. Hydraulic adjustment mechanism. Hydraulic adjustment discharge port. Convenient and fast, accurate adjustment. The cone crusher made by Shanghai Zhuyan contains a hydraulic adjusting mechanism, which is convenient to quickly adjust the size of the discharge port of the cone crusher. The universal structure adopts the manual operation to the hydraulic cylinder, gap rotation and bolt fastening. The automatic structure adopts the oil motor to drive the gear pair, continuously rotate and adjust the discharge port, and the small hydraulic cylinder assembly is locked and fastened. 8. The cleaning mechanism to the hydraulic cavity. Quickly remove the aggregate and unbreakable materials in the crushing cavity, so that the maintenance duration is greatly shortened. The hydraulic cavity cleaning mechanism is the standard configuration of the cone crusher made by our Shanghai Zhuyan, which is completed by a group of cavity cleaning oil cylinders placed on the base plate of the body. The recommended cleaning distance is 75 mm. A set of cleaning cylinders used in the fully automatic construction also acts as iron release protection. 9. The iron release protection. The spring locking device makes the crushing force stable and provides iron release protection. The universal construction of the cone crusher made by our Shanghai Zhuyan provides the spring-typed iron release protection. The full automatic structure adopts a set of oil cylinders of energy storage and pressure retaining, which can not only conveniently adjust the release force of the iron, but also achieve timely release of the iron. 10. Hydraulic power components. Hydraulic power components are used in the hydraulic adjustment mechanism, hydraulic cavity cleaning mechanism, and hydraulic iron release protection mechanism of the cone crusher made by our Shanghai Zhuyan. 11. Lubrication system. the lubrication system is equipped with oil return and temperature protection devices, and is interlocked with the main motor to protect the main machine from being damaged. The cone crusher made by our Shanghai Zhuyan uses a set of efficient, external lubrication system including oil pump, oil tank and pipeline. The crusher will automatically shut down when the oil temperature is too high or the oil pressure is too low. A heater and cooler are also provided for heating or cooling the lubricating oil if necessary. The cooling of the large tank is divided into two types, water cooling and air cooling. Its functions are to cool the return oil from the crusher, recirculate it and enter the cone crusher. Customers can choose wind cooling or air cooling according to the geographical conditions of different places.
Carrying forward the spirits of fine workmanship for manufacturing, research, development and innovation. Dedicating to solutions to the mineral crushing and screening. We are Shanghai Zhuyan.